Hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to see dimension options. Now we will go to SolidWorks, File, New, and then we'll select Part. Okay. Then this is the sketch toolbar. Here you can find all the sketch commands, and under this sketch tab, here you can see the sketch tab is there. And first we will select the sketch, and then after you select the sketch, you have to choose the plane on which you are going to make the sketch. I will select the top. As soon as you go to the top, you will see it turns into orange from blue, so it means it has been selected. So I will click on it. Now it is selected, my plane is ready, and I can draw a sketch. I will draw one rectangle for demonstration, for dimension demonstration. I will draw one rectangle, trim, okay. So my entities are ready, and I have to give the dimensions. So this is the smart dimension. Under this smart dimension you can get many ways of giving dimension: smart dimension, horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, ordinate dimension, and many others. So either you can get these options from toolbar, or you can go to the tools in the menu bar. Go to the dimensions, and here you can find all the options as I have shown you in the toolbar. So I will go to the toolbar. Here, smart dimension, first dimension. This is the widely used dimension option, smart dimension. In the by this smart dimension you can give horizontal dimension, vertical dimensions, you can give angle, and many other. See, this line is there. So if I want to give the angle, I can give the angle very easily, and I can increase or decrease. It's up to me. So, and there are options. If I want to how many decimals I want after the how many digits I want after the decimal. So if I want none, then it will round it off, and it will show the rounded value. So here some more options you will get. So I will select again the smart dimension. So you can give horizontal dimension, and again you can give vertical dimensions too here. So in this ways you can give dimensions using smart dimension. Now I'll delete all the dimensions only, and now I'll show you horizontal dimension. Means you can give dimension to horizontally only. Like this you can give horizontal dimension. There is no problem with it, but as soon as you select a vertical line, then it will not come. But if you want to give the distance between this vertical line to this entity, then you can give. I have selected this one. Now I'm going to select this. Sorry for that. So you can give this dimension. Sorry for the delay. So in this ways you can give the horizontal dimension. Vertical dimension, same like horizontal dimension, but here you can give vertical dimensions only. See, here I have selected the vertical line. I can give the dimension easily. And again, I have shown in just what I have shown you in the smart dimension. Here also, if you just click once over this left click over this dimension, here options will come. So here again you can reduce the decimal or increase it, or reduce it to none. So I've reduced it to none. So here also you can get many more options available here, but widely used, I'm showing you what are the options which are widely used. So this is the vertical dimensioning. Again, if I have to give this dimension, yes, see, the vertical distance between this line to this line I can give using vertical dimensioning. Okay, now again I will delete all these. I will show you ordinate dimension now. This is ordinate. Select one reference line or play entity. I have selected this one. As soon as you click over this one, this 0 will appear. Then select this line. The distance between 0 to this line will come. Then select this line. Means as soon as you select, the distance between from this point to 0 will come appear. So like this you can give dimension. Again, the same ordinate dimension you can use to give this horizontal dimension or horizontal ordinate dimension. Like I have selected this one. Here you can see horizontally I'm giving the dimensions. So in this way ordinate dimension can be used. Now moving on to the next option. Here horizontal ordinate dimension. This is the same like ordinate dimension, only the thing is you can give ordinate dimension horizontally only, and again here also in this you can give ordinate dimension vertically only. The now the last option is path length dimension. Here you can get the path length of an irregular object. Suppose I have drawn this, but it should be a combination of two or more irregular objects, then only it will work. This option will work. Suppose I have selected this option now and I've selected this, it has appeared here, and it should be a closed path. Okay, so I'll click, but it is showing that it should be more than one closed sketch item. So what I will do, I will draw one rectangle over here and I will trim the internal entities. See, I will trim the internal entities. I will trim all the internal entities. So now it is a closed path, and it is made up of two items. Now I'll use this. I have to select all the small entities comprising here, present here. See the path length. It is showing the path length. Okay, again same type of options available here also. So what I have just shown you in this video is the frequently used features of a smart dimension. And so if you want to learn more about smart dimension, if you have any doubt regarding the options available in the right side, left hand side, as you can see, then please do comment, and I will surely make one video against your query. So thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video.